In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Wrike document editor integration. We'll start right inside your Wrike workspace. First, open the project you're working on so you can see its tasks. Then open a specific task that contains the file you want to update. In the task details, you'll notice the file attached. Wrike's document editor lets you edit that file directly without downloading and re-uploading, but you'll need to install the editor once before you can use it. To get the editor, open your profile menu in the top right corner of Wrike and choose Apps and Integrations. In the Integrations gallery, use the search bar and type Document. Select Wrike Document Editor from the results, then click Download. Run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. The editor is a small utility that securely connects your Wrike attachments to your desktop apps so changes save straight back to the task. When the installation finishes, you're ready to jump back into your project. Return to the same project and reopen the task with the file attachment. If you don't see the task detail pane, just click the task to bring it up. Now, locate the attachment, right-click its name or thumbnail, and choose Edit. Wrike will launch the file in the appropriate desktop application via the document editor, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or another supported program, so you can work in the tools you already know. Make your changes as you normally would. Save often while you're editing. The familiar keyboard shortcut like Ctrl+S or Command+S works great. When you're done, save one last time and close the document. Back in Wrike, if you need to bring in an additional file, you can click Attach File, but for the file you just edited, the document editor syncs your changes back automatically. Give it a moment to refresh, then click the attachment to open it and confirm your updates are there. You'll now see that the file has been edited directly from Wrike, with no manual downloading or re-uploading required. This workflow keeps everything in one place, helps maintain a clean attachment list, and reduces version mix-ups across your team. If something doesn't open the first time, check that the editor finished installing and try Edit again. That's it. You opened your project and task, installed the Wrike document editor from Apps and Integrations, right-click the attachment to edit, saved and closed, and then confirmed your changes back in Wrike. Follow these steps whenever you need fast, seamless document updates within your tasks.